Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. We are going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This week, Fed Chair Jerome Powell surprised investors with his comments. He assured market participants that the US Central Bank had no plans for reducing the funds rate this year. Amid that, the American currency was trying to recoup losses. Hello, Peter. What do you think? Is the euro strong enough? Will it be the bulls or bears who take control in the euro-dollar pair?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that there is a 20-day high on the rate of change indicator. And this is basically the sign that there is a good momentum on the upside, the previous upswing, which is basically a sign that buyers are in control and that we should that we can basically see a potential upward movement. Now, the 20 exponential moving average according to the daily time frame is acting like mean in the Keltner channel, and what I found basically is that that you should watch for buying opportunities on the dips and potentially watch for testing of 1.1265 level and 1.1322, because these levels are basically the resistance levels on the euro versus US dollar. Again, the 20 exponential moving average is basically the mean, and since the 20 period rate of change new high in the past few days, I'm expecting further upward movement on this currency pair. So watch for buying opportunities with a first upward target at the price of 1.1265.
And what can you say about the dynamics of the pound sterling?
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is basically the breakout of the key resistance trend line. The lower, the diagonal, the downward diagonal is basically broken, and this is a key sign that there is a potential change in trend behavior from bearish to bullish mode. And my advice after watch your buying opportunities due to this clean breakout of this resistance trend line, and the upward targets are set at the price of 1.3137 and 1.3195. So these levels are basically the key resistance levels based on the previous price action. From the other side, this idea will be invalid if you see that pound dollar is trading below 1.2873, which is the key swing low. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips with the first upward target at the price of 1.3137.
This week, the Australian dollar demonstrated a deep plunge. According to the fundamental analysis, expectations of the RBA monetary policy easing can contribute to a decline in the AUDUSD pair. What do the technical indicators signal?
On the Australian dollar versus US dollar, there is an interesting situation on this currency pair, because there is a selling climax in the background, a very big, wide spread bar in the ultra high volume, and the very next bar was basically neutral to bullish bar, which is basically a signal there is a potential for the accumulation on this currency pair. Because if there is a big selling day, big down day, how the next day can be up neutral to even bullish? There must be the professionals are basically accumulating their positions, and they will potentially try in the next period to accumulate enough so they can break the upward move. So be ready on this currency pair to watch for buying opportunities. The upward targets are set at the price of 0.7061 and 0.7080. This bullish trading idea will be invalid if you see that Australian dollar is trading below 0.6980. Again, big selling climbing to the background, followed by a neutral and bullish days, is a good sign of the accumulation. So be ready for potential buying opportunities and watch to buy on any, for example, watch for bullish flags, or watch for breakout of resistance to go long on the Australian dollar versus US dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stihina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon!